I added a hidden charger under my table and combined it with a presence sensor and a smart plug, so it only charges when I'm sitting there or when my phone actually needs to be charged. Even by itself, a hidden wireless charger is a huge upgrade for the desk setup. No cables, no dock, you just place your phone and it starts charging. But the issue with most chargers, especially the wireless one, even when your phone is full, it continues providing power to your phone, topping it off, which causes your battery to overheat, shortening the lifespan of it. So my solution for that problem is combining three devices to work together, using of course, a wireless charger, human presence sensor, and a smart plug. I'm gonna connect with Home Assistant. You can also use different platforms, let's say HomeKit, but in my case, I'm just gonna use Home Assistant. And all the products I will be using will be linked in the description if you wanna build this yourself or something similar. So let's get started. This is the hidden wireless charger I'm using for this setup. Inside the box you get a charger, the mounting plate, the alignment disc, and the little power sticker that marks where your phone sits. Because my desk is about 28mm thick, I'm actually using the sticker to boost the charging power. But on thinner desks, you usually don't need it. The main goal is just to get everything aligned properly so the charger can power your phone straight through the table. I place the power sticker where I want my phone to charge, use some painter's tape to hold it down, and put the alignment disc on top. The plan was to slide the charger underneath the desk until the disc lit up, showing it's properly aligned. To automate the charger, I'm using a smart plug. I plugged it in and put it into pairing mode. Then I added it to Home Assistant so I can control the charger later. This is the presence sensor I'm adding to the setup. It lets the charger run only when I'm actually sitting at a desk, so it won't randomly turn on when my phone drops below a certain percentage somewhere else in the house. I added the batteries, put it into pairing mode, and it was ready to set up. I paired it with Home Assistant as well and give it a clean name to use later. After that, I added the backplate and closed everything up, and used the included tape and stuck the sensor under my desk so it only detects me when I'm actually sitting there. Then I plugged the charger's power adapter into the smart plug. Next, I attached the mounting plate under the desk, plugged in the charger, and locked it into place. This keeps everything aligned once the final position is set. Here I changed plans a bit. Instead of moving the charger underneath, I removed the sticker on top and used the alignment disc by itself. I just moved it slowly across the desk until all the LEDs lit up. This is when it's perfectly centered over the charger. Once I found the exact spot, I marked it lightly with a pencil and placed the power sticker right there. Then I did a quick test and the phone started charging right away, so the alignment was spot on. Now that all the hardware is in place, I can start building the automations in Home Assistant, so the charger only turns on when I'm sitting at the desk and only when my phone actually needs it. I'm creating 4 simple rules in Home Assistant, and together they make the charger behave almost like it's built right into the desk. The first automation turns the charger on when I'm sitting at a desk and my phone's battery is below 40%. This way it only starts charging when I'm actually here and my phone really needs it. The second automation turns the charger off if I leave the desk for 30 minutes, so even if the phone was charging, it shuts everything down automatically once I'm gone. The third automation is for when the battery hits 95%. As soon as the phone reaches the level, the smart plug turns off and the charging stops. It keeps the battery healthy and avoids keeping it at 100% all the time. And finally, the last automation makes sure that whenever the battery drops below 40% and the presence sensor detects that I'm sitting on the desk, the charger turns back on again. All of those together make the charger feels completely automatic. I don't have to touch anything, it just works based on where I am and how much battery my phone has. I'm going to let the rest of the setup run here so you can follow along if you want, and then I'll show you how everything works once it's all set up. So here's how the setup works in real life. I'm using the desk in standing mode, and as soon as I walk up and place my phone on the marked spot, the automation kicks in, the smart plug turns on, and the phone starts charging through the table. It even works for smaller devices like AirPods, so you can use it just as a normal wireless charger if you want. And when I take the phone and walk away, the presence sensor notices when I'm gone, and after a moment the smart plug switches off and the charger powers down automatically. So would you build something like this, and what would you do differently? There's something always you can change to kind of adjust and make it better. I'm just curious, what would you do? I'm still not done with the desk setup. That will be probably the next video. I'm gonna add a few more things and I'm gonna optimize it for power efficiency, and we're gonna see how much we're gonna save. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.